AI is powerful, but it's totally useless without the right prompts. Today, I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of prompt engineering in just one video, so you can start creating designs that look like they took a whole creative team to make. This is episode 2 of our Become an AI Designer in 30 Days series, and it's where the real magic begins. Everyone and their grandma is using AI image generators these days, but very few people actually know how to control them. Think of it this way. AI is your incredibly talented, but slightly chaotic assistant. Prompts are the instructions you give it. Vague instructions get you messy, generic results. But precise, well-crafted prompts? That's how you unlock professional-level creativity and get exactly what you envision. Look at the difference here. On the left, a simple prompt, a cat. On the right, a detailed prompt that defines the style, lighting, and mood. The results speak for themselves. The secret isn't just knowing what to ask, but how to ask. So, how do you do it? Let's start with my 5-part formula for the perfect prompt. It's simple. Role plus subject plus details plus style plus output specs. Memorize this. For example, instead of just saying, a futuristic street, we build it up. Let's try. Digital artist, that's the role. Futuristic cyberpunk Tokyo street, that's our subject. Neon reflections, rain-soaked ground, those are the details. Unreal Engine, cinematic lighting, that's the style. And finally, 16:9 4K, those are the output specs. See how we've gone from a vague idea to a clear, actionable creative brief for the AI? This structure is the foundation for everything we're going to do. Now let's break down the most underrated part of that formula, the role. Assigning a role to the AI is a total game changer. It tells the AI which creative hat to wear. For example, if you ask it to act as a graphic designer, you'll get clean, commercial-looking images. If you tell it to be a Pixar animator, the result will be playful and stylized. An Unreal Engine artist will give you hyper-realistic, game-like visuals. A VFX expert will add cinematic effects. And a fashion photographer will focus on composition, lighting, and mood, just like a real photo shoot. Look at these examples. The subject is exactly the same in all of them. The only thing I changed was the role at the beginning of the prompt. The difference in the final output is massive. Never skip this step. Next up is adding style references. This is how you really guide the AI's aesthetic. You can reference famous artists, movies, games, or artistic movements. For instance, adding "in the art style of Studio Ghibli" will instantly give you that beautiful, hand-painted anime look. If you want something epic and otherworldly, try "inspired by Avatar: The Way of Water." Or for a darker, more surreal vibe, you could use "with a H.R. Giger biomechanical theme." By referencing existing styles, you're giving the AI a massive library of visual data to pull from, ensuring the result feels cohesive and intentional. Look at how a simple portrait of a queen transforms with each of these 3 style prompts. It's like having the world's greatest artists at your fingertips. But what about the technical stuff? That's where output control comes in. You need to tell the AI exactly how you want your final image to be formatted. This includes things like resolution and aspect ratio. Are you making a 4K wallpaper in 16:9 or a square Instagram post at 1080x 1080? You can also direct the camera. Do you want a dramatic close-up, a sweeping wide shot, or maybe an aerial top-down view? Don't stop there. Specify materials. Is the object made of shimmering glass, brushed metal, or rough wood? By defining these parameters, you eliminate guesswork. Here, I've taken a single subject, a simple teacup, and generated 4 completely different images just by changing the output specs and camera angles. One is a cinematic close-up, another is a wide shot in a scene, and so on. You are the director. There's one more trick you need to know: negative prompts. Sometimes what you don't want is just as important as what you do want. AI can be a bit weird sometimes. It might add extra fingers, blurry backgrounds, or weird-looking text. Negative prompts are your cleanup tool. You simply add a parameter that tells the AI what to avoid. Common examples are no deformed faces, no blurry background, no text, and no watermark. Adding these to the end of your prompt helps refine the final image and remove those common, annoying AI artifacts. It's a simple step that significantly increases the quality and professionalism of your designs. Okay, that was a lot of theory. Now let's put it all into practice with some magic. Prompt templates that you can copy and paste right now. First, for a professional logo. Use this. Professional flat logo design of your brand concept. Modern minimalist, geometric shapes, best composition, vector style, white background, high contrast, no text, no watermark. Just fill in the blank. Next, for a stunning product ad. Premium product advertisement of your item. Dramatic cinematic lighting, glossy reflections, studio setup, high detail, 8K, realistic shadows, depth of field. Perfect for showcasing any product. And finally, for an epic 3D scene. Ultra-realistic 3D render of your scene, Unreal Engine 5, global illumination, volumetric fog, detailed materials, 4K, wide angle. These 3 templates are your new secret weapons. Now it's your turn. Here's your practice challenge for today. Pick any object you can see in your room right now. A mug, a lamp, a book, anything. Your mission is to use the techniques we just covered to create 3 completely different styles of that one object. For example, take a mug and turn it into a cyberpunk artifact, then a cute Disney character, and then a piece of minimalist art. When you're done, post your best creations on social media using the hashtag #AIDesigner30. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Let's get this community creating. If day 1 was about understanding the landscape, day 2 is your turning point. This is where you go from a passive user to an active creator. To help you, I've put together a free prompt cheat sheet with all the formulas and keywords from this video. The download link is in the description below. Grab it, practice with it, and get ready for day 3 tomorrow, where we will be doing a full case study. Make a complete brand identity with AI. I'm dabchickco, and we are creating the new designers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.